Today I'm going to share with you how I grow sunflower microgreens using our white tray kit. The first thing we're going to need is our seed. For that, I have measured out 6 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. First thing we need to do is wash them. The reason we do this is because sunflower seeds can be quite dirty. Remove these 2 trays, and we're going to fill this up with water until there's water just above the top of these little ledges on the inside. Now that we have our water in the bottom, we place our mesh tray back in. And I'm going to take my silicone medium and place it inside just like that. I'm now going to mist it with some water, and now we can take our seeds and seed the tray. Since sunflower seeds are big, it's easy to move them around if you group them. Perfect. Now I'm going to water them again with my prophylactic spray, and I really want to focus the edges and especially this little middle area. So now we place that lid on top like this. And I'm gonna add weight by using 2 of my sprouting jars here from our sprouting jar kit filled with water to evenly distribute the weight on top of my tray. I'm now gonna place this somewhere on my countertop where it doesn't receive a lot of light, and I'll check it every few days.